Alright, today we're going to have a look at the 10 MTR toolbox, marking and cutting out the lids. When you get your two pieces for the lids, they're going to be about 400 by I think 125 mil wide. You put your name on both of them, and then we can start marking them out. Now along the bottom edge, you're going to have a 5mm parallel line with spring dividers, and then you're going to have a 40mm parallel line from the bottom with spring dividers. Once you've got those, down the two short ends, we need to have a 15mm parallel line. Apparently I didn't set my spring dividers up earlier, so I'll show you how to do that again. The point goes in the 100, and you wind it out to 115. Then, again, round part in the palm of your hand, hold it like that, 45-degree angle. You'll find that spring dividers are probably one of those tools that a lot of people have difficulty with, but practice makes perfect. We've now got our two short lines and our two long lines. So we can grab a center punch, and we just want to witness mark where those lines intersect, because we're going to draw some more detail from them, and I like drawing things from center pops. So, we've got that. Now we need to grab a scribe. Now, we're going to cut some small tabs out down here. So from 5mm up along that line, we need to measure 5mm back. So we're going to measure there, and then just draw a little triangle to that center punch. We're going to do that on both sides. So again, from the 5mm up, measure another 5mm, a little mark. Put your scribe on the mark and run it through the center punch to get that small tab that we're cutting out there. We then also need to have cutouts at the top. So from the top edge, we're going to come down 5 and down 5. These ones are just going to go back to where our 15mm line intersects the edge. So across and across. Now, down here where our 40mm line intersects, we need to do a 6mm triangle. So that means putting our 10 on the line, and we're going to go 3mm up and 3mm down. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you can draw that small triangle. Now it's important that you do that measurement, because that actually helps to make up the angle that we need to bend the lid to. So again, find our line, put the 10mm on it, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Draw it back to the center punch, and that's ready to be cut out. So if we have a look at my one with the permanent marker, you've done a 5, a 40, two 15s, and then we've done those small little triangles. You then grab your whiz snips, aviation snips, putting the edge of the snip down onto the pop, cut, and cut, and then cut, cut. Obviously be careful, again, when we're cutting out small triangles of metal, you don't want them to fly up, land in your eyes. They should bounce straight off your safety glasses that you're all wearing though, so we won't have any problems. I'm going to cut that way. And then this one. Hopefully you've done both of these lids at the same time, which will mean you don't have to go back and reset up all your spring dividers. And you should have two marked and cut like that.